welcome to Prudent News. First a look at the headlines. Angry locals attack Panch members at Dhargal Gramsabha. Resolution on polluting industries irks locals. Locals feel Panchayat playing double standards. Police arrest 2 for thrashing Panch members. Sharad Pawar not so happy with Goa NCP's performance. Advises executive to revamp, rejuvenate before planning for Lok Sabha poll. Party leaders hope but not sure of getting North seat. Parrikar government ditched Goans over medium of instruction. Government acting under pressure of diocesan society. RSS and BJP finished Konkani schools. Father Mohsin Ataid raps government. Old Goa locals strongly oppose government's dream project of garbage plant at Bangini. MLA Madkaikar says he is with the masses. Criticizes son of North Goa MP for skipping public meet. And life-size vessel Casino Horseshoe enters congested Mandavi River, replaces Casino Caravella. Caravella to move to extreme north or south. New casino yet to get government permissions. Now the news in detail. Gram Sabha over polluting industries and factories turned wild at Dhargal Panchayat on Sunday. 2 Panch members were injured when Abhay Dhargalkar and Amit Sawal attacked them by hurling chairs. Panchayat Hall witnessed pandemonium when Sarpanch placed a resolution against these said polluting industries at Dhargal. Police arrested attacker Abhay Dhargalkar and Amit Sawal under non-bailable offence.
Gram Sabha at Dhargal was held to seal the fate of polluting factories and industries in the locality. Locals reacted sharply. Locals alleged that such resolutions are a mere eyewash as they have never materialized in earlier Gram Sabhas. Panchayat Hall turned into a battlefield within few moments. Locals also alleged that Panch Avelin Fernandes was supplying water to the same industries. 2 locals, Abhay Dhargalkar and Amit Sawal, in a fit of anger, hurled chairs at Panch members Avelin Fernandes and Pramod Sargaonkar. Avelin sustained severe head injuries and was bleeding until 108 ambulance reached the spot. Both were admitted at Tuyen Hospital. Panch Pramod Sargaonkar is discharged as he has suffered minor injuries.
बंद करपाचो इश्यू येलो तेन्ना ते इश्यूवाले आमी ठराव घेतले की आमकां नाका ती आमी बंद करुया म्हटल्यार तेंचे ठराव घेतले आनी मदींच तेंचे कितें जालें ठराव बीन जावन मदीं कितें जालें झगडोंक एका वेळार खुर्च्यो मारूंक लागले तेन्ना कोणें आडयल्या सुद्दां आयकना कांय ना रक्त तेजे तेजी तकलेक बसली खुर्ची आनी तेजे रक्त बंबा ते रगत खूब पडलें तेजे रगत येयलें.
गोवा आनी अभय धार्वेकर आहा पळय तेंचे पयलीं पासून धार्वे अशे गुंडागिरीचे रिकॉर्ड आसा आनी हे एका धार्वेचेर एका मनशाच्या जिवाचेर हे गुंडागिरी चल्ले पयलीं अशें घडटाले 10-15 वर्सां पयलीं ते मागीर सोंपलेले आनी आतां हे BJPचे गव्हर्मेंट म्हणटा पळय हांगा सगळें अशें चलना पूण हेंच्यांनी आतां हांगा धार्वेत हें सुरू केलां आनी म्हाका दिसता हें आतां हे व्हडले गँग करून हे मोठ्या प्रमाणात सुरू करूंक सोदता ते म्हाका दिसता की CMन हितून लक्ष घालून हें हांगासर सोंपोवपाचें.
Pedne police later arrested Abhay Dhargalkar and Amit Sawal for attacking Panch members under section 324 and 354 read with 34 IPS under non-bailable offence. Vinod Methar for Prudent.
NCP Head and Union Agriculture Minister Sharad Pawar has asked the Goa wing to strengthen the party first and then think about contesting Lok Sabha poll in 2014. Pawar held a meeting with NCP Goa at a starred hotel in Bamboli and later addressed the media. NCP will try for North Goa seat for Lok Sabha poll, but the frontline leaders are unsure of getting it. And Pawar is also not interested in pumping in his resources unless Goa NCP rejuvenates and reforms for Lok Sabha poll.
Then a meeting with all executive committee. And as the executive committee, bosoin, Soglang then jo party koshi cholopaji, party koshi mukar ospaji, ja Lok Sabha election ang jata zauche ha, teje rami sogli charcha keli.
Lok Sabha bolacher कितें जालें
ना लोकसभा इलेक्शन हेजेर अजून पासून कांय जावंक ना पूण आमच्या सगळ्या एक्झिक्युटिव्ह मेंबरांनी आयज आपलो जाणे गेल्याचो ओपिनियन आयज दिलो नो कन्फर्म ना पूण कितें आसा शरद पवार साहेब आनी आमची सोनिया गांधीजी ती दोगांय बसून हेजेर कितें तरी चर्चा जातली आनी हेजेर कितें तरी डिसिजन जातलें. जशें युती आहा म्हणटकच आमची जे आमचे असेंब्लीचे देखून इलेक्शनां आयज पासून आमी ते हेजेर लढलेले आहा आनी फ्युचरान देखून आमी आतां नॉर्थ गोवान लास्ट 2 फावटी आमी इलेक्शन लढले की नॉर्थ गोवान. सो ह्योय फावटी आमकां खबर आहा की नॉर्थ गोवा युती जाले एम जाले म्हणजे अलायन्स जाले म्हणटकच आमकां नॉर्थ गोवाचे सीट मेळटले म्हणून.
शरद पवार साहेबान सगळे पार्टी मेंबरांक सांगलां की पार्टी मजबूत करपाक ग्रास रुटाचेर बूथ कमिटी not only North Goa, though there was suggestion because of Lok Sabha, we should strengthen North. He is very clear. North and South, we should go to the grassroots and have booth committee levels. If not in all the constituencies possible, at least in some major constituencies, so that we strengthen our position for the coming Lok Sabha.
Parrikar government has ditched people in the name of medium of instruction. While claiming that the Parrikar-led government will never stop grants to English, Father Mohsin Atayat has slammed the BJP-led government for medium fiasco. He sternly reacted, saying this government finished Konkani medium schools by allowing grants to English. BJP and RSS leaders had hidden agenda behind this move. The Diocesan Society is pressurizing the government for grants to save its schools. Father claimed that the advisory committee proposed by the government on medium of instruction would just be an eyewash.
पर्रीकार कितेंय सांगू, सरकार कितेंय सांगू आनी सरकार म्हाका आपूण समिती नेमतले हें करतलें तें करतलें हें सगळें वेळ काडूंक आनी दोळ्यांनी फुलां घालूंक. म्हाका दिसना सरकार आपणाचें धोरण आनी बदलतलें म्हण. जें अनुदान इंग्लिशीन मुळावें शिक्षण शिकूंक दिलां हें म्हाका दिसता तें दीत रावतलें आनी कोंकणीचे ज्यो मुळाव्यो शोडा आसलेल्यो ह्यो पळय मेल्यो ह्यो आनी म्हाका दुबाव लागता जिवन जायत म्हण. ह्याकूच म्हाका सरकाराचें वायट दिसता पळय तें तुमी भास दिल्ली कित्याक, आमचे माचयेर आयिल्ल्यात कित्याक. हे भशेन BJPन आमचो घात केला आनी हांव ताका घातकी म्हणून पाचारतां. काँग्रेसीन घात करूंक ना, काँग्रेसीन आश्वासन केन्ना दिवंक ना, आश्वासन दिलें आनी म्हणटच हांव ताचें गाराणें घालतां BJPचेर. तुमी आमचो घात केला.
तुम्ही जेन्ना आंदोलन केल्लें तेन्ना तुमच्या फाटसून एक युवा शक्ती आशिल्ली, ती आयज युवा शक्ती ना आनी ती आंदोलन ना. इवन ते भारतीय भाशा सुरक्षा मंच बीन आशिल्ले ते आयज खंयच दिसना, म्हणजे इतले जाले तरी.
ते मुख्य शक्ती हे भारतीय भाशा सुरक्षा मंचाची आयिल्ली मराठीवाद्यांची आनी RSSांची आनी BJPची. जेन्ना BJP सरकार आयलें हे पार्टी चल्ले आनी तितलेंच न्हय, मराठीवाद्यांक एकदम बरें जालें तें. अनुदान दिवंक इंग्लिशीन ज्यो कोंकणी शाळा आसल्यो त्यो सगल्यो मेल्यो. मराठी शाळा एकूच मरोंक ना, एकूय मरूंक ना म्हणून तांकां एक आर्गुमेंट जालो, एक तांकां कारण जालें सांगूंक गोंयकारांक कोंकणी नाका शिकूंक, मराठी जाय म्हणून.
फादर तुमकां कितें दिसता पर्रीकर सरकाराचेर डायसेसन सोसायटीचो प्रेशर आसा ह्या विशयाचेर?
हातूंत दुबावूच ना, कित्याक जी सगळी चळवळ चल्ली इंग्लिशी पासत म्हणजे अनुदान दिवंक इंग्लीश शाळांक ही चळवळ सुरू जाल्या आनी ताका पाठिंबो आसा आनी ताची शक्ती आसा. हे डायसेसन सोसायटी ऑफ एड्युकेशन ताचो म्हणटच हो पळय दबाव पळय हाडला सरकाराचेर, हो हाडला डायसेसन सोसायटी ऑफ एड्युकेशन ऑर आर्च डायसेसन बोर्ड ऑफ एड्युकेशन आनी हातूंत म्हाका कसलोच दुबाव ना. आनी म्हणटच ह्या 140 कोंकणी शाळांची खूण पळय जाला हातूंत जबाबदारी सरकार आनी दुसरें जबाबदारी आर्च डायसेसन बोर्ड ऑफ एड्युकेशन ऑर डायोसेसन सोसायटी ऑफ एड्युकेशन.
All India Motor Transport Congress has decided to put the present nationwide boycott of Goa state by non-Goan goods and passenger vehicles in abeyance. The decision has been taken pending outcome on the issue in the BJP's National Executive Meeting. AIMTC delegation met Bharatiya Janata Party President Rajnath Singh and senior leader Arun Jaitley to intervene in the matter. Party leaders have assured to discuss entry tax issue with Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar during the executive meeting in Goa. It's now time for a short break. Stay tuned.